morning, dear students. I am Professor Ashwini Kiran. Now I am going to discuss the grammar topic, kinds of sentences. Okay. First of all, I am going to discuss what is letter, what is word, what is sentence. Okay. What is letter? Okay. Letter is nothing but a single digit is called letter. For example, already you know there are 26 alphabets are in English. There are 26 letters are there in English. Okay. A, B, there is a letters. There are 26 letters are there. A is a letter. Is a single digit. A is a single digit and B is also a single digit. So, letter is nothing but a single digit is called letter. Okay. For example, C is a letter, Z is a letter, N is a letter. So, letter is nothing but a single digit is called letter. Then, next, what is word? Okay, let us see. Word is nothing but a group of letters. Okay, word is nothing but a group of letters. Not only a group of letters which gives complete meaning are called word. Okay, word is nothing but a group of letters which gives complete meaning. Okay, gives complete meaning are called word. For example, God is a one word. Is a one word. Word is nothing but a group of letters. G is a one letter and O and D is another letter. Okay. 1, 2, 3. In this word there are 3 letters are there. Okay. This is a word. G-O-D. God is a one word. Next example. Teacher is a one word. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. In this word there are 6 letters are there. Okay. Word is nothing but a group of letters is called word. Okay. Next. Let us see what is sentence. Sentence is nothing but a group of words. Okay, sentence is nothing but a group of words, not only a group of words which gives complete meaning. Okay, sentence is nothing but a group of words which gives complete meaning are called sentence. Okay, for example, I go to school. I go to school is a one sentence. Okay, this is a sentence. Okay, I go to school. Okay, it gives complete meaning. Okay, it gives complete meaning are called sentence. For example, go to school. Go to school, I. This is also sentence. Go to school, I. This is also sentence, but it does not give complete meaning. So, this is not a sentence. Okay, this is not a sentence. So, sentence is nothing but a group of words which gives complete meaning are called sentence. Okay. Let me compound kinds of sentences. Okay. There are 4 kinds of sentences in English. First one is assertive sentence. First one is assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Let us see one by one. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence is nothing but a simple sentence. Okay. Assertive sentence is nothing but a simple sentence is called assertive sentence. Next, what is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is nothing but the command, request, advice. This is called a imperative sentence. In imperative sentence we can see command, request and order. This sentence is called imperative sentence. And next one, third one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is nothing but to ask questions. or to arise questions. Okay, interrogative sentence is nothing but to ask questions or to arise questions is called interrogative sentence. Then last one, exclamatory sentences. What is exclamatory sentence? We can see. Okay, exclamatory sentence is nothing but sudden feeling, sudden joy and sudden sorrow is called exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, we can see sudden feeling, sudden joy and sudden sorrow is called exclamatory sentence. Next, we can see some examples. Okay, Rama goes to market. Rama goes to market. This is a simple sentence. This is a simple sentence, or this is a assertive sentence. Example of assertive sentence. Then Sita is a tall girl. This is also a simple sentence or assertive sentence. Then next one, imperative sentence example. Shut the door. Okay, shut the door. This is a shut the door. Command is there. In this sentence, command is there. Shut the door. Then, please give me your pen. Okay, this is a request. Okay, this is also interrogative sentence. Please give me your pen. Okay, next example. Bring me a glass of water. Bring me a glass of water. This is all about the examples of imperative sentence. Okay, next one, interrogative sentence example. Okay, interrogative sentence is nothing but to ask questions or to arise questions. For example, what's your name? Okay, to asking the questions. What's your name? Or who are you? Who are you? To ask the questions. This is interrogative sentences. Next one, exclamatory sentence. I already told you what is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is nothing but to sudden feeling. Exclamatory sentence is nothing but sudden feeling, sudden joy or sudden sorrow is called exclamatory sentence. Some examples. Oh, what a beautiful garden. Okay, this is a exclamatory sentence. Okay, next. Oh, alas, he is dead. This is sad news. Okay. Oh, alas, he is dead. Then, oh, win the match. Surprise. Oh, win the match. Then, next example. Oh, alas, she is far. Okay. It's a feeling. Okay. Oh, alas, she is far. This is all about the kinds of sentences. Thank you.